Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover some top 5 websites where I usually do some transcription job to make some money for myself. I believe you will enjoy these 5 websites because they are very fantastic and they don't require that much of experience. Even if your experience in typing is just the normal speed, you don't have to be super fast in typing, in that you have to reach about 100 words per minute or thereabout. You just have to be average in the speed, and all you require is your computer and your internet connection to work from virtually anywhere of your choice and at any given time of your choice. So there are basically rules and regulations behind transcription jobs. So for each of the websites, they have their own rules and regulations which you have to follow, something like a guideline that will guide you through the process, how to transcribe a given audio from a video. Okay, when you listen to it, you just transcribe it, you just type it into words. Okay, so these guidelines will help you through. You have to study it and then understand the nitty-gritty of it, and then you can apply to the recordings, because in some cases it's obvious you will not be able to hear the recording clearly, and there are instructions in such cases on what you should do. Part of the main benefits of using these websites is that you get paid on weekly basis. Okay, you just have to have a verified PayPal account and you will get paid based on what amount of work you have done for that particular week. Once you request for payment, you will be paid every week. Doesn't require you to have much expensive gadget or anything near to that. You just have to have your normal PC and normal internet and nothing else, and you can work based, or maybe you may need to have an earpiece. Okay, an earpiece that is very good, that you can hear very nicely and clearly, and then you need a very good environment that is cool and quiet and you can hear, and then just go ahead and transcribe. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into my PC so that I can share with you these top 5 websites that you can make cool cash for yourself. First website on the line is GoTranscript.com. You can get to GoTranscript.com by just coming to your browser and coming to the top here. You can just write GoTranscript.com and /transcription/jobs. I'll put this link in the description so that you can easily click and it will bring you over here. So this is GoTranscript. Transcription jobs available worldwide. Join GoTranscript and be part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. Okay, so watch how to join if you want to play the video and see how you can join. This is the key requirement. We pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. You can see GoTranscript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We are always looking to fill our open freelance transcription jobs. You can see it's up to $0.6 per audio or video minute that you've transcribed. Average users of this website make an average of $150 per month. This is the top monthly earnings. Okay, up to about 1,215. This is top average monthly earning. Okay, you can get more than this or average within this if you so wish. Okay, so it all boils down to how committed you are on this platform and on the typing job that you are doing. So among the key things to note is, after you pass the test, please note buying and selling a GoTranscript account is illegal. So it's not allowed to buy and sell the transcriptionist, the GoTranscript account. So all you need to do after passing the test is you will receive an SMS verification. They will take photo during registration, and then they will take real-time photo with verification code written on the paper. Okay, so this one they will do for you. This is just to certify that you are the one. Do transcription jobs from home. Okay, all you need is computer and an internet, just like I've explained. Get paid reliably via PayPal and you'll be paid weekly. Okay, you receive your payment weekly. Work on flexible hours according to your schedule. They have plenty of jobs. It all depends on your schedules. If you want to work during the day, if you want to work during the night, you're free to just try it on your own. All right, so these are some of the things. To receive great support, they're always there for you, and you can choose your own projects and grow your skills, because you learn everything every day, new things every day. You can stay busy, you can enjoy a variety of work, different kind of works. Okay, transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next day, depending. Transcription jobs online, they have multiple of them. Okay, so these are some of the languages that you can transcribe to, depending on what kind of expertise do you have. So they have a bunch of frequently asked questions that you can check around very easily. When do you get paid? How do you get paid? Why is the quality of the audio test so bad sometimes? Okay, and what to do, because there are requirements and there are rules and regulations. Like in GoTranscript, all you need to do to start apply now, just click on this and they will take you to the next level. So once you click on apply now, you select the language, English, and then to ask you to create an account, you just create your email and you put your password, or you can just go ahead and log in with Google if you have one, or you can log in with your Facebook if you have one. Then it will take you to this page where you will be shown the GoTranscript transcription guideline. This is in English. You can change the language if you want, and then you show the process. What do we do? Okay, they pay using Pioneer and PayPal, and then these are instructions and these are text formats that they accept. Full verbatim, the definition is there and what they expect. Clean verbatim, the definition is there and what they expect, and many more. Time stamping during the recording and how you can record unclear voices, or there about major rules. You can see them. You just need to take your time to follow the step-by-step instructions and understand how the rules of transcription is, because it's a bit technical. You have to understand how to deal with numbers, how to deal with times of the day and dates, how to do with double dashes or single dash, or they are about in cases of quotation marks, how to use single dash, what does that mean, and how to use it during a transcription job. And then there are some examples that you will go through. So until you understand the whole of this guideline, you will not be able to take the test correctly. So you take the first step of the test, and then once you are done taking the test, you will now apply for transcription position by passing this test again. So you have to go through, you play the audio, you listen to it using your earpiece, and then you can go through and type accordingly based on what you listen, and using these same rules and regulations that you've understood. So this is my first website. The second website that I usually go for is the rev.com. Rev is very popular when it comes to transcription jobs or online money-making typing jobs. You can find quite a lot of them over here. Rev freelance jobs let you work from anywhere. Okay, earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Okay, so you can create a flexible work schedule for yourself and then choose from hundreds of jobs. Get paid weekly also. They also use PayPal as their mode of payment. Rev is very fantastic. You can see for a transcriptionist, listen to audio and video. You can just listen with your earpiece and then you transcribe what you hear accordingly. Accurately type what is being said. Level speakers accordingly. Range of pay is between $0.3 to $1.1 depending. Okay, so you can learn more from here. And if you're a captionist, you can watch the video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync typed audio with video. Sometimes you can start making money in 3 easy steps. Okay, take a quiz. There is a quick quiz that you can take to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills, and then submit a transcription or caption sample which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. So there is always 3 steps. So if you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. Okay, so it's just a 3-step process. Take the quiz, submit a transcription test, and then once you're approved, you have to follow the registration process, and then you start. So if you know a foreign language, also is another added advantage. So you can do the subtitling of a video using a foreign language if you know any. So you can just feel free to try this. So all you need to do is to just click on get started to start learning, or to start the process of learning taking the quick test and doing the transcription exercise. So just open your browser, come to rev.com/freelancers, and it will bring you over here and you can start the process. I'll also equally put this link in the description for you to just click and it will take you here. Now this brings us to the third website, which is also very cool, that I always use, TranscribeMe. So you just, like the name implies, transcribeme.com/jobs is the website. Just come to your browser and type this and it will bring you over here, transcription jobs. Get paid working from home. You can work from the comfort of your home. Join the TranscribeMe professional crowd and start working on projects and making money to yourself. So you just click on get started and you can just start. So it's very easy to use also. Monetize your downtime. When you become a TranscribeMe crowd professional, you will have access to the following. Highest pay. Okay, we have the highest pay. According to them, it's the highest pay. We have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 and an average top monthly earnings of $2,200. Okay, average monthly earnings are $250. Yeah, this is a bit higher than the ones that we've shown earlier on. GoTranscript and the Rev transcript. So grow and learn together. You learn the process. Expert training. They will train you. They will give you the material to train yourself and understand the process, and as you just start. Ready to join the team? Get started. So it's very easy. You can see their registration form over here. Once you click on get started, you have a frequently asked questions over here. You just fill in your details, your name, your phone number and everything, and then the language you want to speak and you want to do the transcription on, and your Skype address and how did you hear about them. You create a profile and start the process. This one also requires you to take a test and you do transcription sample and just follow the process and understand the transcription rules and regulations, and you have no single issue with this website. Okay, so these are the frequently asked questions on this website. So you can just understand the PayPal payments, the completing jobs, equipment you will need, the application requirements, the entrance, English entrance exams and specialty. You can just on your own go through some of these questions and answers and see and have a better understanding on what you are what you are up against. So the fourth website, which is one of my favorite also, is Skriby.com. Okay, Skriby.com. Once you come over here, it will just bring you over here. I'll put this link also in the description. So what is transcription? You see, listen, correct, and get paid. So required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. Apply context, identify mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. Sometimes you have automated transcript, and sometimes you will just have to write on your own. Sometimes there is an automated one that's generated. You have to go through it, follow through, and then correct the mistakes. You save a lot of your time, and then you can get paid. Get paid $5 to $20 per audio hour that you have worked on, paid into your verified PayPal account. Most of them, they use PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you are missing quite a lot. So try to get a verified PayPal account and then you start working on it. Okay, so this is the breakdown of how much can you earn in a month with Skriby. Okay, as a beginner, you can earn $400 per month with this, but these are the requirements in terms of a beginner. You need good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversations, and ability to apply context and identify mistakes. Okay, and a verified PayPal account, laptop, desktop, computer, and internet connection. Then you have a headphone or headset. You need all these as a requirement. And an intermediate, you can earn up to $800 per month with the daily hours usage of 8 hours. And then for advanced, you can earn up to $1,600 per month with daily usage of 8 hours. If you can work more than 8 hours, then that means more money to yourself. So if you are satisfied, this is a transcriber guide. Like I said, most of them, they have a guide. So once you click to read more, you will see these jobs available to all individuals with verified PayPal account. This guide has all the details about this job. So to tell you all the rules and regulations, like when you click on next and read more, you will see the overview of the transcriber guide. So you see the requirements. Okay, these are the requirements: verified PayPal, transcription process, the raw data, review, the proofreading, the quality check, the payments. Okay, this is the payments. This automated transcript, what is it? Certification process. This is the process you follow, stage 1 to 5, grades and promotions. You can see all of them, transcription guidelines. So you see the rules. Do not violate these rules. These are rules in transcribing. So you follow the rules, style suggestion, okay, what to do, what to put, what to expect, and this is a sample transcript and all that. So you just follow through and you can play this sample transcript and see how it's been transcribed as well. So it's very, very easy. You can follow these topics to understand better. You can see them accordingly. Okay, the introduction and all that. So these are the guidelines. You follow through and then you will understand and kickstart your journey immediately. So the last website for today on the typing job or transcription job that I have for you is dailytranscription.com /career. Once you're here, it will bring you to this website. Interested in a transcription career? We're excited that you are interested in one of our openings. Daily Transcription provides services to entertainment, corporate and legal industry, as well as to academic institutions. Benefits of working with Daily Transcription are all this: flexibility. Assignments are paid weekly, mostly where must pay bi-weekly or monthly. This one they pay weekly also. Pay higher with higher rates than Rev, TranscribeMe, Transcription, Poppy, Skriby, and many more. So they even acknowledge that they pay higher than all these other websites. So receive trainings, feedback, and coaching. They can train you, you can receive feedback and coaching, and then you can collaborate with like-minded or individuals that are working for them, and you can earn consistently with this website. Spend more time with the family, with your family, while you earn extra income for your household. We don't guarantee a specific amount. The average is $350 to $950 per week. So depending on how committed you are and how many hours are you willing to dedicate in this transcription job. So you can apply as a transcriptionist or subtitler or captioner, or you can do bilingual Spanish transcriptionist. They are very much interested in bilingual people who know a second language. For example, Spanish language is very one of the most sought after languages. If you know how to, you can easily join them and you can be a bilingual transcriptionist. And so this is who are we looking for? This is the requirement and how to get started. It's very easy. Like we said, you'll be trained, you will be coached on what to expect. So what is transcription? You just feel free to come to this website, and then you can follow through the frequently asked questions. What is transcription? What does this job entail? And what experience or skills do you need to start? It's very easy. And once you're done, once you are satisfied and you want to join, you can start as a transcriptionist, or like I said, subtitler or bilingual transcriptionist. So it's very easy. Feel free to try each and every one of them and see what you can do on your own, and let me know in the comment section if you have any challenge or anything as regards this process. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope and believe you have learned something out of these 5 websites that you can start trying on your own to be able to see what you can do on your own. Just don't worry about the skill set. Just have the average skill set and you can follow up through the whole process. Start with the simplest website, which is GoTranscript.com. This is simplest. You just follow the instruction and then follow the guideline to understand the process, and then take the test, and I assure you, you will pass the test excellently, and then you can start your transcription job immediately. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.